The three Congress MDCs on Friday finally withdrew support from the NPP-led Khadc Hills Democratic Forum (KHDF) ruling coalition in the KHADC. The three Congress MDCs in the KHADC include Pinchngan NCM, who was the Deputy CEM, Ronnie V. Lingdor, who is also the sitting party MLA, and Victor Rani, who joined the Congress after leaving the NPP. However, this decision of the Congress will not have any impact on the ruling coalition, who still enjoys the support of the 17 MDCs in the House of 30. Talking to reporters at the Congress Bhavan, CM informed that as the parliamentary party leader of the party, he had handed over a letter to the council CEM Pinya Singh CM informing about the decision of the party to withdraw support from the ruling coalition.
Parliamentary party leader juga Congress parliamentary party ila address ya Bapak Singh bade leader juga KHDF banagalian ini hadir ba ke parti Rai banwerno ing jingkersan kumki dukot juga parti ibang aban pen ko ila dia parti ila bagi ila gubernur yang kejadian buat KHDF nadu mutaka janmit.